All right, we got the T-Sauce PX9, and we're gonna do a little optics test. So we're gonna see if the optic can retain 0 after a little abuse. Make sure we're still zeroed. On that hostage plate, we're at about 20 yards. Pretty good. Unload the gun, and we'll beat it up. Give it a few drops. Right on the optic. You know what I love about RMRs? You can just drop them right on the concrete, you can drop them right on the gravel, and they don't ever break. Well, most of the time anyway. All right, we'll see if that held 0. Looks like it did. Not too bad for $300 Turkish trash.